Hello guys, today we're going to be playing The Swing. Let's do this. Alright, start. Alright, let's go. Now, I'm an experienced player at this game. And for those of you who don't know what this game is, basically it's made by the same developer. It's made by the same developer. And there are like cool characters. There's Bob and Okay. Oh, look, it's a giant field. Is this practice mode? Oh, Brady's there. Uh-oh. Hi. Yeah, Buck's gonna see me. That's Buck right there. Give it him. Barbie's gone. Oh. Hide. Yeah, how are you gonna get me here? Can't get me here. Run away, get out. Oh. That's just great. I know. Okay. Let's do this, boys. Look, bottle disinfectant. You guys need this little band-aid, you know, for like severely injured people.
Today I'm going to be playing Minecraft with my friend.
4122, that's for the code. Red key.
But I've added a mod into our world which lets any entity in the game speak. Yep, you heard that, right? It uses a bunch of AI stuff and it literally lets any creature in the game talk. So let's see how my friends react to this. Alright guys, you ready to play this new world? Yep, I've got a lot of big plans for this world. I want to create an entire army of chickens. Army of chickens? Well, I'm not kidding. What this is what peculiar fact.
Okay, swipe under, closely over. You said it's red phone, right? So put on UPS at the playing red phone, but the under is strong. I'm pretty sure you know who Granny Red Players is.
You're just gonna say Katie Smile? That's it? He said point. What intriguing adventure awaits us? Is he my friend? I think he is. I think you made friends with a pig. hold on. This is gonna be how I make an army of chickens. I'm gonna go become friends with this chicken over here. I guess your chicken, you wanna be my friend? State your intentions clearly for safety is my primary concern. What?
I asked him to be my friend. He said, why of course? Let's embark on whimsical happy face together.
I think my little chicken here is scared for his own safety. I'm gonna say, hey, buddy, I won't hurt you.
So
How
really
would
scared
you
to joke
like to
because
be
Shadow Space Player
of my
so
new military program? The chicken army is going to be super powerful. Oh, wait a second. I don't think the chicken saw my message, though. In order to talk to the chicken, I have to click on this little... You guys have both got a pet. I want to get a pet.
Okay, guys. That's Bob. That's Bob.
Okay, calm down.
I need to show this chicken who's boss. Let me go ahead and just craft a sword real quick. Alright, chicken. Let's see how this guy reacts if I stab him.
You guys want to see part 2 of
Get over
this?
here, chicken. Ensuring safety is your number one priority. Not for long. Cool. He's been slayed.
I've been waiting for like hours.
You got a name. That's crazy. Well, I have to set an example, like I said. But anyway, let's go see if there's any other chickens who want to join my chicken army. There's another guy here. Let's see what he says. He said, what secrets do you hold in the depths of your soul, traveler? This guy's a very dark chicken.
Weird. I've never seen this before in Minecraft. This must be
Wait for the penguin.
I'll just have a chicken if you want to join our team. But guys, we should go try recruiting zombies onto our team.
Yeah, we should.
Wait, this guy just said, I walk a path of solitude, but I may lend a shadow to your cause. Yes, he's joining my team.
Oh, that's awesome.
Okay, but guys, we should go try to recruit some zombies. I wonder if we can talk to hostile mobs too.
We're gonna find zombies when you find a cave. There's one over here.
Yeah, okay, let's head over to the cave.
See one when you're mining this tree. It's right here.
You guys, so the powers are.
This cave over here does look pretty promising. I'm gonna go ahead and take a pickaxe real quick and then let's head in. This is sick though. I wonder if we can talk to villagers to get free stuff.
Yeah, maybe like
Let's jump.
I'm gonna kill them. I'm not gonna lie, telling the chicken was not important. But anyways, guys, I found a cave over here. Let's head over to this cave. Let's see. Wait, hold on a second. I wonder if I can tell my chicken to do stuff. I'm gonna ask him to try to recruit these other chickens to the team. Hey, can you go recruit these other chickens to our team? Alright, let's see what he says. Moment of truth. He said, I will seek out those who dwell in the shadows, lead the way. What? You lead the way.
Hey, take his place.
Hey,
So we need a screwdriver to screw this man.
Yes, what?
he has 3 hearts. Come here, bring it out.
Oh, hold on a second. I only have 1 heart. But hold on. I'm leading the. I'm following him. He's telling me to go somewhere, I think. He's speaking to me. Yeah, hold on. Let me read his full message again. What in the world did he say? I will seek out those who dwell in the shadows.
See that giant beat with it?
Yeah, I think he was just walking off random directions. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, but guys, let's go to a cave. I want to go try recruiting a zombie. There was a cave somewhere around here. Yeah, this one right here. Oh, it looks like a water cave. Yeah, I know, it's rough. Alright, we need to find a zombie, and then we can try talking to it. Let's see. There's gotta be a big cave somewhere around here nearby. Yeah, let's just keep on walking around. Okay, there was a lot of water caves around here. Well, there's a giant ravine over there, but I think it's just covered in water. Hold on, are the sheep friendly, or are you gonna talk to them? Okay, let's see. What is the sheep gonna say back? Welcome to my humble abode. What brings you to me? I will go surrounded. I don't know what he said, but wait.
Guys, I literally just got killed by grandpa.
The arrow's pointed this way.
Hey, really? Hold on. Wait. You just said I'll guide you there. Wait, hold on. He's gonna force follow me. I'm gonna cover that. He's talking too fast. Better be better.
Dad.
I'll look closely. Is there a sheep?
So guys, you didn't see the footage, but I legit just got killed.
Hey, there's another creeper.
So Ruby's following me.
Ruby, are you still following that guy?
So let me grab the
There's
chicken.
another creeper. Is he gonna say anything now? Come on.
There's another creeper too. I'm processing greetings,
Two
traveler. What do you
people
require?
died.
You not to
At
follow
the
up.
place.
Hold on, I'm gonna try talking to the skeleton. If I can get a skeleton on my team, that'd be good. Wait, I'm talking to the skeleton. Oh, he's fighting me off. No, skeleton, I'm trying to talk. Can you join my team, please? Can you really add to a skeleton? The skeleton just said I'm happy to work on this with you. You know the skeleton's on my team now. Yeah, skeleton, let's show this other skeleton here. Take that. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. I've got 2 skeletons now. Why are you fighting with zombies? I'm gonna talk to this skeleton over here. I'm going to rise an army of the dead. You only have 19. I'm just going to send that message all over. He said, I'll consider joining you, but I'll be watching. Okay, grab the right skeletons, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I wonder if we can form armies and have them fight each other.
This is awesome. I have an army of a pig and two zombies.
This is nuts. Hold on a second. This skeleton over here that's following me. I need to tell him to follow me. There we go. All caps. Lead the way. I'm right behind you. All right, great. Let's go. It's working. I've got an army of 2 skeletons. Wait, are you staying here? I want to do an experiment. Actually, wait. Kill the creepers. Oh, no. My skeleton's a foot. Oh, my skeleton just killed the other one. I was going to ask it to kill you, roommate.
Yo!
This guy too. Okay, you know what? At least I'm at full hunger now. Wait, the zombie said, please stop. I don't know what he said. He said, I will not fight back. Let us find peace instead. Alright, fine. We can find some peace. Yeah, we still have peace. Peace. Get out of here. Wait a second. That was zombie soldier?
Make sure you're not fighting him, my friend.
That's kind of cool. He said, I'll try to behave for now. I think he kind of wants to hear me though. This is actually insane. Oh, what's up? Is your friend? My bad. Wait a second. My skeleton's in the back. We got Bex over here. I remember this guy. Alright, okay, this is all.
Hey, what up?
I want to go try finding a village. I'm gonna get that iron golem.
Oh!
The iron
Yeah.
golem.
Yeah, I'm dead. Help me!
You know what would be even more OP than Iron Golem?
What?
Ender Dragon.
I'm dead!
Dragon would be kind of nuts. But, how are we going to go to the end?
You know what, guys? I think this is the end for this video.
Nether mobs too.
If you enjoyed it,
Yeah.
if you liked the fun too, then,
It looks like there's a jungle here. I think we're going to take a
see ya tomorrow, guys. 24 to